So how can we find the value of x in this equation? So we know that this is indices or exponential equation. So the first thing we need to do is to make the base to be the same, right? So we say 2 power 2x minus 4 equals 2 power 4 is going to give us 16, right? So you have 2 power 4 in the bracket of x out of 2 minus 3, right? So we now both of them have the same base. So you cancel out the bases. You have now 2x minus 4 equals 4 multiplied by x out of 2 minus 3. So what do you need to do? You have to distribute 4 with the terms inside the bracket. So you have 2x minus 4 equals 4 by this is going to give 4x over 2. We are still going to simplify this. Minus 4 times 3 is going to give you 12, right? So we now have 2x minus 4 equals 4x divided by 2 is going to give you 2x minus 12. So we've simplified it to this point. The next thing we need to do is to collect the like terms. And how do you collect the like terms? You say 2x minus 2x equals minus 4 minus 12, right? So this is going to give you 0 equals what? Negative, of course, negative 16, which is not possible. So 0 cannot be equals to negative 16. And what does it mean? It means that this question is what? Is undefined. Undefined. So you cannot solve it. So there's no value for x when you come to this equation. You can also graph it, and if you want to learn about how to graph this type of question, go to our website with the link on the bio and you see how we solve this type of question. See you in our next video. Out.